COVID-19.
I'd call it a pandemic.
1,000 infected with coronavirus. Centers for Disease Control says the coronavirus.
Some people have died from coronavirus tonight, going on lockdown.
From a pandemic that showed us that not everything is guaranteed in this life, but as well show us that there is a life out there to make worth living. This time was different, with one goal in mind. However, more than just visiting and meeting new people, our goal was to live like them. Because at the end of the day, I realized that we are not always present. We're not always enjoying these special moments as we should. And sometimes, we don't simply take the time to breathe and see the beauty that is around you. This trip showed me the importance of loving people who is around you. Through the years, I've been able to experience that not always you will have the same people next to you. However, it is in you if you want to make the most out of it, and if you have the will to be open to new ideas and mindsets. This inspires me to continue to explore new places, meeting new people, and realizing that every place and every human being is special on this earth. But something that I can take the most out of this trip is that this trip showed me that I'm not only from one country, but from many.
Okay, in the film. Okay.